Worried about the security of your Fiverr account and earnings? A few simple steps can protect your business from hackers. I'll share the essential security measures. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your Fiverr account is your business. Protecting it is non-negotiable. First, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone whenever you log in from a new device. Second, use a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. Never share your login details with anyone. A crucial pro tip: be wary of phishing emails. Fiverr will never ask for your password via email. If you get an email that looks like it's from Fiverr asking you to log in, always go directly to the Fiverr website yourself instead of clicking links in the email. And just like that, you can build a fortress around your freelance business. Securing your account prevents catastrophic loss of income and reputation. Have you enabled two-factor authentication yet? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on why Fiverr accounts get suspended. Thanks for watching.